You're looking for an easy-to-use CRM system for your manufacturing business. I'm going to show you how Pipeline CRM is going to help you close more deals by helping you manage your sales pipeline. Be more organized by tracking your leads and managing your contacts. Get all the information you need at your fingertips to understand what you need to do to sell these customers again. And last but certainly not least, rocket your productivity with automated workflows. Now, let's go see how to do it. First, let's take a look at how we can be more organized with our sales pipeline. There's a smart agenda, so as I automate my workflows, it'll automatically assign me events, tasks, to-dos based on different workflows that I have created and automated here. Once you sync your email, all of your emails are going to show up right here and you can track it. You can see who's clicked on it, who's opened it. Deals slipping away. This is another automation that Pipeline CRM does. We will highlight deals here that we think need some attention, that are large in scale or haven't really been followed up on in a while. Pipeline CRM helps you to stay more organized by helping you to manage your contact, the company, the status of the relationship with this person, their title, whether they're a contact or a lead. If you have any deals with this lead, all of the deals associated with this person, whether they're the primary contact or not, will be listed on their person page. All right, now let's talk about what really brought you here. I'm going to show you some automations that I have set up, and I'm going to show you exactly how they work. Apply sales template to deal. This one is super duper easy. So the sales template is something that comes standard with Pipeline CRM. You don't even have to set it up. So what that is, it's a series of tasks and events. It's just going to remind you to reach out, to call, to follow up. So the way that this automation works is when a deal is created and the job type is new instead of repair or inspection, do this, apply a to-do template. And then I'm going to select my to-do template here, and I want the sales template, and the task owner is a triggered deal owner. So this essentially means when a deal is created, it's going to automatically apply a workflow, whatever templated workflow that your business would like it to have. I'm going to save this. Let's go back. What else is here? 1 million deal created or updated. That's fun. $1 million is a lot of money. So send a notification to manager of sales when a $1 million deal is at deal stage 20% or higher and the deal stages progress. Our pipeline and our deal stages, by the way, are highly customizable. So you can set any percentage, any pipeline name that you'd like to fit your sales process. So let's take a look at how this automation works. When a deal is created and any of these conditions are true, so the deal stage is qualified or presentation or design, your manager will automatically be notified. Do this. Here is where you would structure your email. And check this out. This is really cool. You can automatically insert deal attributes automatically into the body of the email. So you can add the deal name, the amount, the deal stage, the job type. There are a lot of attributes to choose from to tailor this to whatever your sales process is or whatever it is that you want to communicate to your manager. Sign up for a free 14-day trial, no credit card needed, and as always, reach out to us if you need help.